I sent an SVR from Midland, Texas.
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Scurry County in western Texas, Mitchell County in western Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles southwest of Champion Creek Reservoir, or 16 miles north of Sterling City, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Colorado City, Lorain, Colorado City Airport, Lake Colorado City, Champion Creek Reservoir, Lake Colorado City State Park, Westbrook, Cuthbert, and Buford. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 203 and 226. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Time for western Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.